myself, leave me to myself. I took your counsel and came to ruin. Leave me to myself, leave me to myself. Oh, I was made to live without you, but I'm never gonna understand, never understand. Oh, I was born to live without you, but I'm never gonna understand, never understand. Hold me in your everlasting arms. Looked up for the fear trap beneath the chandeliers going down. I thought it over and drew the curtain. Leave me to myself, leave me to myself. I hummed the dizzy as you played the hallelujah. Leave me to myself, don't leave me